Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO F19 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. Start with opening the settings, let's tap on it and then scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's tap. As you can see right here, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. So as you can see, almost 2 hours, and most of the time was spent on the settings. Here we can check the unlocks and the notifications count also. If you want to check some further details, you've got two different options or ways to do that. You can tap inside this graph and you will be transferred to this dashboard, which will show you the exact screen time in particular days of the week, so you can compare them. You can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened, and under each day you will have the apps which you've used listed with the exact time you've spent on them. And the second way of checking the details, the information, is to tap directly on the app. So for example, the settings or any other app which will appear on this list or on this graph actually. And here again we've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. Again, we can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened, and from daily to hourly. Let's go back, and right here you've got also the ways to disconnect, so I highly recommend to check them whenever you feel that you're spending too much time on the screen. You can set the bedtime mode or the focus mode, so basically your device will limit the notifications in particular days of the week and in particular hours of your choice, so you will be able to, for example, work undisturbed or simply sleep. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.